Stop the presses. Drop your tools. Hold on to your helmets, because a Category 5 corporate hurricane just hit the motocross world and turned the entire industry upside down. For over 50 glorious years, Honda's motocross division has had one sacred, unshakable rule. The bikes are red. Period. Sure, they briefly dabbled in that weird 90s era, mostly white and red phase, but otherwise, Honda Red is practically a religion. It is the color of speed. It is the color of championship trophies. It is the color of my face when I miss a gear on a triple. But for 2027, it's gone. Obliterated. Pulverized. Honda just announced that their entire iconic motocross lineup is changing to purple. Yes, purple! Like Barney the dinosaur, like a very aggressive eggplant, like a freshly bruised shin bone. Why on earth would the corporate suit and tie overlords at Honda do this? Put on your tinfoil hats, guys, because the truth is weirder than fiction. So, how did this corporate madness happen? Well, industry whispers tell us that the whole thing started in the Honda Research and Development Department. Apparently, a highly sensitive team of millennial and Gen Z chassis designers held a massive intervention with upper management. They claimed that looking at Honda Red all day was giving them severe existential trackside anxiety. They said the red color was too loud, too aggressive. It was causing localized heart palpitations, sweaty palms, and a weird malady they called championship stress disorder. They complained that the red paint was literally forcing them to ride too fast, which directly conflicted with their personal wellness goals. So, the department held an official vote. They needed a color that was grounding, a color that promoted mindful cornering and holistic throttle management. And after 12 hours of emotional debate, they settled on a soothing, deep, spiritual lavender purple. Because nothing says I'm going to clean out my rivals in the first turn quite like the soothing energy of a lavender-scented candle. And just like that, 50 years of racing heritage was sacrificed on the altar of mindfulness and self-delusion. So, what are we actually getting for 2027? Let's look at the spec sheet. First up, the classic Honda Red plastics are replaced by Amethyst Aggression bodywork. The seat cover? A stunning velvety royal purple that will look absolutely magnificent covered in brown mud. But it's not just cosmetic, guys. Honda claims the new purple graphics actually feature aromatherapy technology. When the engine gets hot, the plastic graphics release a gentle, calming scent of wild berries and lavender fields, specifically designed to lower the rider's heart rate when they are getting passed by a KTM. They've even updated the engine mapping. The old aggressive map is gone. It has been renamed the Zen Purple Horizon mode. It still makes 60 horsepower, but it delivers it with a much more spiritual, emotional resonance. Is this the end of the world? Maybe. Will Jet Lawrence look ridiculous winning a Supercross championship on a giant floating eggplant? Absolutely! Hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you buying the new Purple Rain Honda, or are you sticking to your classic red spray paint? Let me know, and I'll see you out on the trails. Peace!